I have discovered a very small problem with Voces, and the problem is that, well, it's actually a pretty major problem. The problem is that, so usually when you type in an answer, say in this mini quiz, I'm just going to simulate that, you click on save or save and submit. The grader, so two things that make this exploit work. One, no matter if you click on save or save and submit, the grader always grades your answers. And second of all, what happens also is because the grader always dumps, it happens to always dump its full output to the JavaScript log, to the console's log, which means that, because usually sometimes, I guess this is an instructor selective thing, Voces will tell you the correct answer if you happen to try an answer and get it wrong. But Voces grader always dumps the full amount, like including that correct answer, with its log. So what I crafted here, essentially, let's take a look. So that, what I've crafted here is a it's a kind of neat function. So what it does is the first time that you call it, it just saves your work. And then the next time that you call it, okay, so the first time that you call it, it takes over the console's log. And the next time that you call it, after it saves the work, it parses the grader's output that's in the log. And it sees the correct answer there, and it puts that all into all of these things. And it would be a very easy fix for this kind of exploit. It'd just be silence the grader output. So I can do a demo right now. So the first time I call it, it will click OK right here. Actually, it didn't work that time, so we'll try again. Sometimes it doesn't work just because of load times and things. So it occasionally doesn't work. Let's see this here. There we go. All right, so it has some things. It's done that. So now that the page has reloaded, we can just go ahead and do that one more time. And you can see that once it's parsed the grader output, it has returned all of the correct answers. And I noticed in the grader output, if there are multiple correct answers, or that's what I'm guessing it is, there's an exclamation point, a percent sign, and another exclamation point. This exploit is also designed to parse that out so that it doesn't put two of the answers in at the same time. Well, anyways, so that's an exploit. Hopefully, Voces fixes this very, very soon. That would be most ideal. Okay, thank you.